The phone screen is on the left and the right has the laptop screen. First, we'll see how to share a website from your phone to your laptop easily and quickly. Make sure you have the Bluetooth on your phone and your laptop on. Click on here. Now click AirDrop and then you will find your laptop's name on the display. Your laptop will receive a notification and you have to press the accept button. And there you go. You have the same page you found on your phone on your laptop now, without the hassle of copying and clicking any links. Now you will see how to share any files such as photos, or what I share here is an Excel document. At first you have to press on the document, then share, and then AirDrop, and then your computer will receive a notification and the file goes into the download area, and then I click on the Excel and here it is. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel to be updated with more videos like this. Bye bye.